Welcome back. Thanks for tuning back in. Here's the update after the first week of our silver mining speculative bet. Man, we took a killing. So we are down. Overall, we're still up about $50, but there was a total of about $175 last week. I believe the portfolio was up. It's showing plus 77.75 right now. But there's 4 positions in this portfolio. If you don't forget, there's 4 positions in here that were in here prior. So I didn't want to sell them off. I wanted to hold them. So they're putting in some gains. VLTO, Beralto Group Corp, is a plus 30, and then Arcadium Lithium is a plus 1350, and so is, let's see here, QRTEA. They are doing about a plus $10.25. But Lithium Argentina down here at the bottom is doing a negative 33, so it's a huge loser. And 2 of the silver stocks have gone negative: Denison Mines and First Majestic Silver. First Majestic Silver, I believe, started down, so not much has changed. These are barely there. Fortuna Silver Mines is plus 90 cents. Silver Corp Metals is plus $3.50, $6.09, 10. That's not part. $12.50 for Endeavor. Gato is hanging in there at 13, and Hecla Mining is doing 31. Now we do have a lot more shares of Hecla. That was 50 shares overall. Overall, it seems kind of iffy. It looks like, man, I had second guesses coming over into the weekend, and then seeing how the stock market performed today, I thought, I might have caught it too late. But I tuned into the Money Level show and I saw Daryl interview one of the cats. It's the latest video that's out over in Florida at Rick Rule's Symposium. And he's talking about gold being in the portfolios and still having a good run at it. Silver is set to follow. I believe that's where my research was pointing into the right direction, so that's why we got into these positions. I'm still curious to know if I think I did the right move. I'm second guessing myself, but I think it's just the momentum of the market. We started off very strong. Last week, again, the portfolio showed plus 175. Now it's only showing plus 75. So over $100 loss between all these positions. Again, 4 of the positions are kind of mixed, so you got to take those into consideration. But I think I'm overall still in it. I can't wait until December to see what happens with this portfolio. Super speculative, like I said. Not a financial advisor, not a professional at all. I'm a guy guessing that these things are going to do well based off of who holds them. If you kind of follow me, you'll understand my strategy, and that's just following money. Following to see who buys what and when they buy it, and then try to get in at a better price that they do. Normally, these people deal in the millions, if not billions of dollars. They've done their due diligence. They're not going to risk on a hunch. So that's my strategy as follows. Not very bright. It's probably better that I figure out what these companies do, how they make money, and what their cash flow are. That's probably a way much better way of doing it, but I have my hunches. I've done, I want to say, extremely well based off of my technique. I can't wait to show other portfolios that I do hold. I think I've said this, I manage about $45,000 between several different portfolios, different retirement accounts, etc., that I solely control and manage. So for someone who doesn't even know how to evaluate a stock, I think I'm doing pretty good. Or at least I'm doing okay. Obviously, there's people out there killing it, getting bags of money. Even I come across channels that they say they print money from the stock market. I haven't got there yet. I doubt I ever will. But this has been fun. It's a great adventure to get in on. If you guys are bored of this normal silver stacking videos about gloom and doom, please come out and check out this and see how it plays out. I can't begin to even express what everyone in the community thinks about this play. I'm guessing it wasn't a very smart play, considering that I did sell 50 ounces of physical silver to get in this position. Just over $1,400 is what you see here. It doesn't look like a lot, but some of these positions are, like, oh, that's not part of this portfolio, but, 300, 200, 100, 100, 100, 200, 200. Some of these positions are pretty big as far as what I control. Again, I sold the silver because I didn't want to get into my funds. I'm paying off debt right now, and I have such a good flow. I was calculating how much money of my income goes to debt, and right now it's about 70%. The other 30 I use for expenses and income. I have very low expenses. I'm very thankful for that in my situation. I'm just lucky. It's not normal on how I rent, but I'm grateful for it, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to kill this debt. I'm hoping that this is the last year after chasing this debt for 3 years off and on, not disciplining myself. Like this year, I'm hopeful that this is the last of it, and then I can really make some moves. Imagine going from 70% of your income, moving it to debt, to moving it to investment. Even if I do 50% of that, that's awesome. So I'm going to continue to push forward. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'll try to get to them as fast as I can. But overall, I'm still hopeful that we're in a silver bull market. And, in the next coming months, August and September are technically the months that the markets don't do well. So we'll see what this means for my silver portfolio moving forward. Happy blessings, happy stacking.